Got some baby birds outside, and some other birds do not like cats being close to the door. Can left on toes, or what do you think of those birdies out there? They don't like you being around looking at their babies. You say, hey, back off. They're outside there, though. They're out of their nest, even. Should we go see them? Not you. Oh, that mom didn't like you doing that, did he, Joseph? Let me see if I can see these birdies. There they are. All cuddled up there saying, protect us from the kitties. There's 3 of them. I see their mom up there in the tree up there. Not happy. See if we can see her. Up there in the tree. There's the mom. Yep. And over here are some kitties. Come on. There's a kitty. Saying, we're interested in this. What is going on out here? There's chickens on the inside, and now birds on the outside.